Toyota Prius. Slow, quite ugly, yet super efficient. These adjectives have been used to describe the Prius for 2 decades. In 2023, however, everything is about to change. The world's most famous hybrid becomes a looker, gains 65% more power and a 3 seconds faster 0 to 60 time. All of this with an actual improvement of fuel efficiency of 10%. The 5th generation Toyota Prius keeps its aerodynamic teardrop shape, but the lines are much smoother and the alien-like lights front and rear finally follow modern trends. Extra grunt that might just turn the new Prius into a hot hatch comes from a new 2-liter inline-4 engine. The standard hybrid now makes 196 horsepower and is rated for 57 miles per gallon. In turn, the plug-in hybrid Prius Prime will produce 220 horsepower and will cover 37 miles without burning a drop of fuel. Inside the cabin, this is a more attractive people's carrier with a modern 12.3-inch infotainment, digital instrument cluster, and more upscale materials. If you haven't already, now is a great time to smash the like button and subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News. More reviews of the 2023 lineups are on the screen. Just follow the links. As always, may the torque be with you.